You've accomplished a lot, but to get a job in today's competitive economy, you need to make your resume fit on one page. It may seem impossible, but in this video, we'll show you how to shorten your resume to make the resume fit one page. We'll also explain when it's okay to have a longer resume. To do that, we'll use a premium resume template from Envato Elements. It's the resume word design, and it helps you fit your key career content onto a single sheet. As you can see, every key area of your career is covered right here in view. To shorten resume layouts, the idea is really to emphasize only the most relevant content. Notice here at the top that space is dedicated to your name and a quick bio. Then below, you'll see that the resume is divided into quadrants. These quadrants span important areas, like your job experience, skills, education, and more. Notice how this premium layout packs in a ton of information without ever seeming cluttered. The margins are expanded, and thanks to small font sizes, you can fill in details without needing a second page. To make my resume fit one page, let's get to work filling in these sections. Here at the top, you can add your name. To do that, click into the text box. Then select the contents as you're seeing me do here. Finally, begin typing. Watch the placeholder text vanish and be replaced by your own words. Repeat these steps here for the title and a quick bio. Again, brevity is the key way to see how to make one-page resume designs. Stick to only the most vital information that you can share. Hobbies and interests, they're great to have, but leave them off your resume. Flashing forward, take a look at this bio. I've trimmed it down to only the most essential details. I also made sure to use some common acronyms. Used wisely, they can save you precious space. You can also add a professional headshot here. To do that, let's click into this placeholder. Then, up here on the Picture Format tab, find the Change Picture dropdown and click on it. Browse to a stored image on your computer like this. Click it, and then select Insert. You'll see your photo appear on your resume. Scrolling down here, notice how this template lets you shorten resume designs. It has 3 placeholders for your job experience. Again, the key is to focus on the most relevant ones. Generally, this will be your most recent 3 roles. Bullet points are used over here in the proficiency and certifications groups. They're another great way to save space and shorten resume designs. Here, 1 or 2 words each can really tell a full story. And similarly, the education section emphasizes relevance. Watch as I work here, dropping in key details. Again, I'll select the contents of all these text boxes and then start typing. The key is to focus on what matters to the job. If you have advanced degrees, there's no reason to focus on your high school diploma, for example. The idea is to focus on a limited set of relevant, useful data to share. If it won't fit, consider leaving it off. Flashing forward once again, look at the finished product. I've filled in plenty of vital information to catch the eye of any recruiter. Also look at what's missing. I've avoided listing random awards and recognitions. Similarly, I've not included references here. Why? You've surely heard that references are important, and they certainly are. But recruiters and hiring managers know that they can be furnished upon request. Unless they're specifically asked for on your resume, it's best to leave them off. Just like that, you've learned how to make one-page resume designs. The way to succeed is really to focus on current, relevant information. And choosing a premium Envato Elements template is the best way to do it. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many of these as you want. Plus, you'll enjoy millions of other digital assets, like fonts, stock photos, and more. Join today to get started. Don't forget to like this video. Then, subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There, you'll find countless helpful tutorials just like this one, along with courses, content roundups, and more. You can't afford to miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks again for joining me.